At this point, may I call on Rona Cristina C. Desterio, our school valedictorian, for her valedictory address.
Seven school administrators, school principal, guidance counselor, faculty members, parents, guests, and to the graduates, I'd like to greet all of you a great afternoon. Today, we're about to witness how each and every one of us students achieve the fruit of our hardships throughout the 4 years of studying in high school, which is probably our last moment of being together, and that is graduation. When I woke up this morning, I couldn't explain what I really feel inside. My emotions were completely mashed up. I was extremely sad, nervous, and somehow excited. And as I got up here, I could really tell you guys that our high school life ends here. And that this is the final outcome of all those sleepless nights, finishing our schoolworks, the late night practices for every school events, and those days we spent hours in class studying, copying lectures, cheating, reading stocks, teasing each other, laughing, eating, sleeping, playing, and many more. Well, at last we made it. We made it here without even noticing that we're also leaving a place where it all started, where everything began. Throughout my high school life, I learned how to define life and love in my own words. I learned things I didn't know I was capable of knowing. I learned how to value things that were really important to me and how to not give up no matter how much I failed. There was also that time when I came to realize that being a student is not about having high scores or good grades. It's about discovering your true self, knowing who your real friends are, trusting your own ability, and believing in God at all times. But I know I wouldn't be able to make it all alone without the voices of my mentors who taught me ever since I first studied here in my alma mater until the time that I have to leave. To my elementary teachers, Mrs. Digoliado, who was my very first advisor, Mrs. Sayo, Ms. Geraldine Ignacio, Mrs. Casas, Mrs. Padlan, Mrs. Banyes, who used to be Ma'am Galido, Mrs. Lucero, Miss Claude, Miss Valerio, Miss Nicole, Miss Cabarles, Miss Baron, who was our religious CL teacher, Mrs. Limbawan, Miss Soriano, who always wear a smile, Mrs. Sampaga, Mr. Velarde, our former school principals, Mr. Del Mundo, Mr. Albuladora, and Mrs. Bobes, and to our former guidance counselor, Mr. Carlos Certeza. I've always wanted to thank you all, for I won't be able to make it to the next level of studying without your help. And of course, to my high school teachers, Miss Masiglat, Miss Baron, Miss Garcia, Miss Inventado, Mrs. Malsi, Miss Liano, Miss De Guzman, Mrs. Ignacio, Miss Cabacam, Mr. Gomez, Mrs. Labnao, Miss Estrada, Mr. Casalhay, Mr. Larejas, Miss Villanueva, Mr. Constante, Miss Bautista, Mr. Lopez, Mr. Vicente, Miss Silverio, and last but not the least, our never-growing old advisor, Miss Michelin Coratan, who never failed to educate us and give us tons of assignments. I know I couldn't get this far without you as my guide. You were really a second parent to me. To our school principal, Mrs. Edita P. Cabrera, who encouraged me to be active in extracurricular activities in school, and the one who advised me to study even harder. And to the late president and founder of this institution, Mr. Damaso Lopez, let me express my sincerest gratitude to him for building an institution like this. Without SJAM, I know I wouldn't get a chance to learn this much and get to know these faces in front of me right now. To my true friends who didn't get tired of being there for me in good and bad times. To my family, especially Mama and Papa, who raised me well enough and did what they can to provide me an education. I'm really sorry for being such a headache to you. I know I've never been a good daughter, but I will make you proud and I will return the favors you've done for me ever since I was born. And of course, to my Creator up there, who never stopped loving and believing in me. Thank you so much. What I do best is all because of Him and the people who never left me till I got this far. So, to all those who inspired me to be who I am right now, I know my thank you wouldn't that be enough to return what you've taught me from then till now. That's why I'd like to dedicate this success to each and every one of you. I'll promise not to forget that everything that I learned and every people that I have met throughout these years. All those times I've shared with you, the laughter, the tears, everything. We may have some misunderstandings sometimes, but that's just a part of being in high school. And I know that there are more good things to remember rather than the bad ones. There were also plenty of things that are hard to leave behind, but we just have to move on now. Life goes on, right? But it's always free to look back whenever you want to. On this day, everything seems to come to an end, except for our journey as a learner. Maybe we will have our own paths to take starting tomorrow. But I just wanted to remind you guys, don't be afraid to try and explore. Alam ko marami sa ating kinakabahan sa college, pero just like what Ma'am Bautista taught us, hindi lang ikaw yung kinakabahan. Yung mga classmates at prof mo, kinakabahan din yan. Don't be afraid and always believe in yourself and in name up there. Lahat naman ng pro nagsisimula sa pagiging newbie eh. Kaya push lang. Just like now, alam ko hindi ako ganun kagaling magsalita, pero at least I'm trying. Hayaan niyo bang masira pangarap niyo dahil nasa natakot kayo? Alam ko kaya niyo pa rin kahit wala na yung alam ko kaya niyo pa rin kahit wala na yung mga barkadang lagi niyong karamay at kasama. It's time to be independent now, guys. Just bear in your mind that it's always a matter of trying. Di ba nga, sabi niyo, tiwala lang. And before everything ends, I'd like to remind you guys how precious you are to me. Alam kong darating yung araw na magkakalimutan na tayo, pero kaya nga sabi ni Kuya Pao, mahalaga kayo sa akin. Kaya ako mismo, hindi ko kayo magagawang kalimutan. So, congratulations and I wish everyone a good luck, God bless, and goodbye. I'll miss you all and again, good afternoon.
Thank you very much. Once again, our class valedictorian. And now, to give our graduates her congratulatory message, may we have our school vice president, Ms. Lydia V. Lopez. Everyone, let us give her a round of applause.
Sa ating kagalang-galang na panauhing si Mrs. Gina Remedio Santos, DepEd Supervisor, sa ating napakaganda, matalino, masipag, matyaga, at sexy na si Gina Angelita Cabrera, sa ating guwapo, matalino na si Abet Lopez, siyempre sa aking magandang anak na inararangal kong naging kagawad ng tatlong termino, si Kagawad Nina Sheila Lopez, at finance officer ng ating paaralan, sa ating mga magulang at mga bisita, sa ating mga guro, mga mag-aaral, pagpaumanin po sa aking boses, no? Bedroom boys. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, ngayon lang po ako nabigyan ng pagkakataon na magsalita sa harapin ninyo. Isa pong malaking karangalan na ako'y magbigay ng isang matapat at buong pusong pagbati sa inyong pagtatapos nang dahil sa inyong mga magulang na masisipag, matyaga at mapursige at matiisin, mapagmahal, matuluyin at supporting sa inyong lahat. Ngayon, naririto kayo at ito nagpupunyi ang inyong pagtatapos. Hindi po ito ang katapusan ng inyong pagtagumpay. Simula pa lang po ito, katulad ng mga kasabihan. Sabi nga sa English, no guts, no glory. At sa Tagalog, kung walang tiyaga, lakasan niyo po, di ko naririnig eh. Okay, di ba? Pag may hirap, may ginagawa. Di ba? So, tulad ng hindi natutukinag ang pusong Pilipino, kayo, mga magulang, mga kapatid, mga anak, di ba? Dahil sa tiyaga ninyo, hindi kayo nagtinag sa kabila ng lahat ng pagsubok sa buong panahon ng inyong pag-aaral sa paaralang ito. Ano nating kakalimutan na dapat din tayo magpasalamat at bumati sa ating namayapang Pangulo na nagtayo ng paaralang ito. Lagi niyo siyang ipagdarasal sapagkat siya ang atin ng bagong anghel na gagabi sa ating dagit. At huwag niyo kakalimutan na ang inyong tagumpay, ibalik niyo sa inyong mga magulang. Huwag kayong magsasawang magsikap, magtiyaga, magtiis. Diba? Dahil pagka sabi natin, ulitin ko, pag may tiyaga, may nilaga. Ang taong matyaga, pinagpapala ng Panginoon. Ngunit ang hindi matyaga, walang napapala. Diba? So, muli, binabati ko po kayo, lalo ng mga magulang at mga guro, na nagsikap, nagtiyaga, nagtiis, nagpakahirap para kayo'y turuan. Huwag niyo rin silang kakalimutan na nabati ko kayo lahat. Siyempre, kasama na rin mga staff, mga sa administrative, sila Marivic, yung kahera natin, mga sila Lot, sila Laila, ate Laila nyo, si Ma'am Lori nyo, ng ating gwardiya si Gillian, at lahat pang mga kasama niya. Binabati ko kayong lahat sa inyong pagtsatsaga na maayos ang pagtakbo ng ating paaralan. Maraming po salamat. Congratulations!
Once again, our Vice President, Ms. Ija Lopez.